Hey friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the application was unable to start error code 0C0000142 on PC. In this video, seeing before we begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now follow the all steps one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's go ahead. First step, restart. So for that, go to the start menu, click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Yeah, simply restart can clear temporary system glitches that case this error. After restarting the try opening the application again. If this try to it does not working, then go to the next step. Run yes admin that application. So like that, take this example. I take this application. Right click, just to go to the properties. Then click on go to the camera tab. Then here run the camera troubleshooter. Just click on it. This tool try to definitely that application fix it troubleshoot. After that, close it and click on the yes. Once it troubleshoot, then come to back. Then below camera mode checkbox, select the camera mode. Then change this category. Then select the Windows site. After that, below click on the checkbox, select the run this program as administrator. Once it processed done, hit the apply and OK button. Click here to close it. Then go to the start menu. Click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system and relaunch that application. If this try to does not working, then go to the next step, command promote. So for that, go to the your Windows search bar and type CMD. Right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. This command provided in this video description. Just copy to paste. Hit the enter. This process take few minutes. So wait. After that, I will skip it. Then go to the next command for SFC scan now. That first command finish then only. Then go to the next command, try it. After that, your problem fix it. Then I will skip it. Then go to the next step. If this try to does not working, then only then go to the next step. Select the .NET framework. So for that, go to the your window search bar and type Windows Future. Click on the turn Windows Future on or off. Then here you can see that here select max or select the .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Service, and if it's have .NET Framework 3.5 have it, just select it. Both are select. After that, hit the apply to close it. Then come to back. Then go to the start menu. Click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Windows install the required files. Restart your system after the installation. Then your problem fix it. Final step for the repair and modify the application. So for that, so go to the your Windows search bar and type settings and click on it and choose the modify and go to the apps and click on the install files. Then scroll down, find your application. Like that, I take it the Microsoft Teams. Just click on the three dots, then go to that advanced option. Then scroll down, find you can reset and repair button. Just click on it. After that, your problem fix it. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. Then your problem fix it. Then finally come to back. Then restart your system. After relaunch the application, then your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment. I give the answer. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment. And don't forget subscribe and like. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe my YouTube channel.